It's Sunday, July 14, 2024. Today's entry won't be any long dissertation about TROM or some other practice. And I'm kind of burnt out, at least for now, as far as bitching about the Church of Scientology is concerned. I've been quite thrilled about the new bettertrom.com website, and if you are even a fraction as thrilled, then I know all the work was worth it. Roger and I have reached a point where, aside from a few nuances, have effectively covered basic TROM as taught in the book The Resolution of the Mind, a Games Manual, and then some. All that's left is to offer study help for the advanced lectures, which we are taking our sweet time on. As far as quantity of materials is concerned, the advanced lectures compose most of what is written and recorded by Dennis Stevens, but the vast majority of what you need to know about TROM comes from the original manual. And considering most of the TROM practiced by people like yourself is on levels 1 through 3, as far as what's needed and wanted from most viewers, we've satisfied about 90% of that with our channel, the revised manual, and the website. Don't worry, we're still working and answering emails. But our focus has shifted from teaching others TROM to catching up on our own TROM sessions. And, other important stuff like getting back in touch with old friends, family members, kicking back and watching television, all the things we've put on hold while we burned the midnight oil for the past year and a half, with about 1,000 or so man-hours on this channel. If you would like to discuss TROM with us, send us an email, whether it's a question about the subject, a success story you would like to share, or you are interested in helping out with our channel or our site. We would especially appreciate anything you'd like us to publish on our channel or our site. I mean, if someone were to send us a video clip about how doing TROM exercises changed their life, or even an audio clip, we'd be dancing in the streets over it. Even a written success story we could publish on the website would be appreciated. It doesn't have to be just about doing TROM exercises. If you simply enjoy watching our videos and reading our materials, whether it's the PDF of TROM 2023 or the materials on our site, and would like the world to know how happy you are about it all, let us know. If you have a question for us, you can ask us in video, audio, or written form, and we can include such on a question and answer page or a question and answer video. We want to connect more with our viewers. And we want our videos to connect with the world. You can help us with that. We can't do it all by ourselves. Not on the scale we're contemplating. Lastly, on our channel's community page are several surveys. Take a minute to give us your opinion on a few things. It only helps. We'll never ask you for a dime, nor would we accept such even if you offered. But we will always accept help. Thank you for your support so far. Just your viewing our videos alone lets us know that what we are doing is reaching someone. I'm Allison Tandri. We are DIY Salvation. Don't just use your mind. Resolve it.